Hey everyone, welcome back to Ryan Kiwin Electronics YouTube channel. Today, we're controlling the Quarky robot using a custom GUI built with Python and PictoBlox. Rocketed GUI makes robot control more intuitive by replacing text commands with interactive buttons. We'll set up PictoBlox, connect Quarky via Bluetooth or USB, and enable Python mode. Using Tkinter, we'll design a simple GUI with buttons to move Quarky forward, backward, and stop. Then, we'll enhance it with speed control sliders, animations, and real-time responsiveness. After coding, we'll test it live and show how the GUI instantly controls Quarky's movements. Finally, we'll encourage you to experiment by adding features like LED control or AI-based commands. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Let's bring robotics to life with coding.